Friends, welcome to another video on profit in equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a fundamentally strong small cap which Ramesh Damani has been secretly holding for the last couple of years. He holds 94,035 shares, equating to a 0.27% stake in the company as per the latest annual report. Now, this stake does not show up on the shareholding patterns on the exchanges. Also, this is not our own research. This research is by Meet and we'll be providing a link to his Twitter handle in the description section. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is KSB Limited, which is available at Rs 770 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is KSP. Now KSB Limited, formerly KSB Pumps Limited, is engaged in the business of manufacture of power-driven pumps and industrial valves. The company's operational segment includes pump segment, valve segment and others. Now, as is evident from the one-year chart, the company has been a laggard and not much wealth has been created here. The company is a small cap with a market capitalization of 2,680.20 crores. Here, we are classifying small caps as stocks with market capitalization less than 5,000 crores. The EPS of 21.85 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 35.24, which is more expensive when compared with the industry PE of 25.15. The book value of 190.34 also translates into a slightly expensive price to book ratio of 4.05. The company has a dividend yield of 0.78%, whereas the promoter holding is a strong number at 66.41%. Now friends, a word of caution. Some time has already elapsed since the annual report was published, so please be very careful and don't just jump in. Also, any information that you ever see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.